podcast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Brenda. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Monday after a lack of data. China growth fears and commentary from Fed's browser alternately affected the currency in different ways. The greenback ended the day at 1.3877 to the euro and 103.27 to the yen. Today's data includes NFIB small business optimized in February, which is expected to pull back a basis point, job openings which are forecast to rise, and wholesale inventories and trade sales in January. Next to the euro. The euro traded marginally higher on Monday as a result of an improved outlook for the euro area and possible evidence of green shoots of recovery in the economy. Sentiment data was higher than previously, but slightly below expected. The single currency ended the day at 1.3877 to the dollar and 143.33 to the yen. Today's data includes the German trade balance, which is expected to rise to 15 billion in January, and final estimates for Italian GDP in the fourth quarter, which is expected to remain unchanged at minus 0.8% in fourth quarter year-on-year and 0.1% quarter-to-quarter. British pound. The pound weakened on Monday after a fall in global risk appetite and growing concerns about the BOE's involvement in exchange rate manipulation week. Sterling ended the day at 1.6645 to the dollar and 0.8336 to the euro. Today's data includes industrial and manufacturing production, which are forecast to rise by 3 and 3.3% respectively, and the NIESR GDP estimate. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Monday as a result of poor data which show a fall in GDP, a widening of the current account deficit, and the balance of trade still negative by over negative 2 trillion yen and close to the record lows established last month. The Japanese currency ended the day at 103.27 to the dollar and 171.89 to the pound. Today's data includes money stock, which is expected to fall to 4% year-on-year in February for M2 plus CD and 3.2% for M3. And now the section you have been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.386 with targets at 1.389 and 1.392 in extension. Below 1.385, which is look for further downside with 1.3815 and 1.3785 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6068 with targets at 1.6615 and 1.658 in extension. Above 1.6068, which will look for further upside with 1.6705 and 1.6074 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 102.8 with targets at 103.7 and 104.05 in extension. Below 102.8, which is look for further downside with 102.6 and 102.3 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Brenda, and you have been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.